Today I'm going to be talking about business schools offered in Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico is one of the world's leaders in business education. Their perspective of business leadership is highly esteemed, and that is reflective in their education system as well. Rio Piedras is Puerto Rico's #1 school in terms of business, and sits at a rating of 106% in the Dean recommendations in 2017. Rio Piedras is primarily a commuter school and is somewhat geared towards graduate students. This school is extremely selective and very competitive in its education. The average cost to go to Piedras is $3,000 after financial aid, and like I said, it is very competitive. For example, the graduation rate is less than half of the students who attend, being 46%, and the acceptance rate is 26%, meaning that all thousands that apply, only a quarter are actually accepted. The requirements to pursue a bachelor's degree is a full completion of general education studies at a minimum of 3.0 grade point average or above. The requirements to pursue a bachelor's degree in business, however, is of course the completion of general education. But one would also need to fulfill the requirements in communication, mathematics, social, marketing, and general business courses. There are internships offered at Rio Piedras in various offices. However, they are not required to acquire the bachelor's degree in business. Most students will graduate within the expected 6 years, according to College Board. This is a definite contrast in comparison to the timeline at most American universities. The grading system at Rio Piedras is a percentage, and courses are based on GPA. Now, looking at Inter-American University of Puerto Rico, Metro, it is similar in many ways. The requirements for a bachelor's degree in business at Metro is a total of 121 credits. 48 credits are required in general education, 22 in core courses, 39 in concentration, and finally 12 credits in electives. Spanish and math classes are also a key part of earning a business degree at the Inter-American University of Puerto Rico, Metro. In addition to these, one must also pass all general education, core, and elective courses. As far as internships go, there are quite a few that are offered on campus, but not very many that pertain to this degree specifically. Instead, most internships are in tech support or other such fields. The length of studies at the Metro University generally run between 2 to 3 years. Metro does offer a final semester for one to finish off their education with their electives. The grading system at Inter-American University of Puerto Rico Metro is a percentage and grade point average scale, just like Rio Piedras. Similarly as well, the passing grade requirements is a 3.0 GPA or above. In summation, Puerto Rico offers rigorous business education. They are highly esteemed among its peer countries, and their acceptance rate is much more competitive and narrow in comparison to most education systems. All of this is a reflection of a country that holds excellence in education at a very high standard.